We're a heavy highway contractor specializing in large diameter pipe installation. We've been in business since 1983 in the Phoenix area. We've developed a lot of good working relationships with municipalities, state and federal contracting agencies in the Valley. We pride ourselves on the quality of work that we do with the honesty and transparency our company brings to the table.
We've been using InEight Estimate for decades. Now we've started using Document to implement the document management system they provide. We're looking for a product that would allow us to combine bid packages and project files and store them in one place, and also allow us to communicate with various subcontractors, suppliers, and owners, and maintain that line of communication without having to search through thousands of emails or various subfolders in order to find them. The main thing we like about the tool is it allows us to combine the project documents during bid time and actual construction to distribute easily to our foremen, suppliers, subcontractors, and other representatives. InEight provided us with a day of training to learn the tool and become familiar with the process of how to use it and how we can best use it for our company. They're also there afterwards while we're getting familiar with it on our own time to answer any questions or to help us locate where in the system that tool may be or how to use that feature the way we're looking for it. We feel it's important to stay on the cutting edge of technology as the industry grows and evolves. That way we're always in the forefront of things to come and stay on top of the industry as a whole.